Hi guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY, and welcome to a new vlog, guys. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Okay, please guys, do well to subscribe to my channel and also do well to watch my videos to the end, and don't forget to give a huge thumbs up. That way YouTube will recommend my videos to other people to watch. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be cooking okra soup, draw soup, ogbono soup, anyhow you want to call it, because I cook my okra soup with ogbono as well. So this is my daughter's favorite soup. Like, Adeze loves okra soup so she loves it so much, and she has been begging me since last week that please mommy, cook okra soup, cook okra soup. We have egusi soup, we have bitter leaf soup, but she just wants the okra soup. And why I've not cooked this since last week, she has been asking for it, is because I want to add some seafood, sea proteins, you know, these shrimp, prawn, oyster, stuff like that. And I checked in Aldi, I didn't see it in Aldi where I normally buy it, so I've not really had time to check in other stores, but thankfully I bought the seafood. Yeah, I got the seafood now. So I'll carry you guys along with me to cook this okra soup for my daughter. Right guys, come on, let's start. So guys, these are all the ingredients I'll be using for. So these are my seafood. This is selected food, blah 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 blah. It has mussels, calamari, and king prawn, and this one is jumbo king prawns. So yeah, this is my okra.
He owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. For long enough, damn, I need you right now. You can take your time, don't have to rush. This might take us a while, yeah. I left all the doors unlocked and
up, she own it. Good love in the morning. Get on top, my cojones. I pledge to you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it, but pay for it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory. Glorifying in all these formats. Back to Future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important.
Slide to the other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. I thought with you in it, you shouldn't run. Right around town, what you tear down walls. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. If you play what you doing, you don't know. I can tell your friends you can do one thing. You make it go slow, you make it go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I'll be nice things. Slide, any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed in the bed. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? Slide, any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. I thought with you in it, you shouldn't run. Right around town, what you tear down walls. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. If you play what you doing, you don't know. I can tell your friends you can do one thing. You make it go slow, you make it go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I'll be nice things. Slide, any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed in the bed. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? Slide, any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. I thought with you in it, you shouldn't run. Right around town, tear down walls. I know you like it when I tell you
Yummy.
what you want. If you play what you doing, you don't know. I can tell your friends you can do one thing. You make it go slow, you make it go faster.
Hey babes,
Hello, mommy.
are you excited?
Yes.
What are you eating?
Soup and curry.
What soup?
Okra.
Sorry?
Okra soup.
So it's okra. Which soup is your best soup?
Okra.
Yeah? Don't be
I
okay?
love the yellow curry.
You what?
I love the yellow curry and the okra too.
You love yellow curry and okra. Eat baby, okay? How is it?
Okay.
How is it? How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy, yeah? So how is it?
Yummy.
You like?
Slide, any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do love you, babe. The way I love you. Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Like the woods you ain't run. Right around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I do what you want. Baby, baby, what you doing with so long? I can tell your friends you can do one
Hey guys! Hi guys! Bake with us. I'm not sure what we are making, babes. I'm not sure what we are making.
Oh my goodness!
So it's vanilla. Okay. Chicky. Sweet one, baby. You just woke up. My baby. My baby. Suwi. Suwi mama suwi. Suwi mama suwi. Suwi, baby. You just woke up. Sosa has been sleeping. She just woke up a couple of minutes ago. She's so tired. Making something for you, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Do you wanna eat that? Okay. Well, we are going to eat soup. This one is just for when we are done with our soup. Yeah, I don't even know what this thing is. This right here.
Yeah, we didn't even mean to flip it.
I flipped the back. Yeah, I reckon it will be tasty. Oh, Mama, it looks nice.
Mama, I want it. Thank you, Mommy. Mommy, why do you want me to have the big one? Mommy, you're big, so you have it. I'm up here. It's so fun playing such a cheap song. Mommy, there's my cheek. It's very cute. But that stuff is cheap.
Was I not touching her cheek? I was touching her cheek, man.
Mommy, can I put the cookie?
In the TV,
Okay.
I will try and look for it. That's when
Because
you had your shower.
Oh, I thought that was No, this is mine.
I mean, this is ready.
Look,
It's all soft.
These are all our cousins going down, going up. Well,
So guys, this is what we have. So soft. It's so soft like Soso's cheeks. Oh god. So guys, this is what we have. This is so soft. Hey!
can I grab some?
Me waiting.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. And this looks like the same thing that we had last time.
Wow. Hey guys, come and join us and eat. We are eating a mixy soup and gari. So come on guys, let's eat together. We are people not going to call guys.
Yeah, guys, want to eat? Yes. The whole thing and chuck it to your face.
Oh god, that's not a nice thing to tell guys.
Yeah.
Any other man tryna get in the bed. So one of these motions stay. I know it's gonna make you beg. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Like I wish you wanna you should run. Right around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. Baby, baby, what you doing, what you want? I can tell your friends you can do one thing. You like to go slow, you like to go faster. Let me the password.
Like a dentist girl.
Did you guys enjoy the food?
Yeah, mommy.
Leave a comment if you guys enjoyed watching us eat and if you would like to watch us eat again, okay?
And click the like button.
So said you should click the like button, of course. What do you mean by Soso?
I wanted to say, eh.
Bye guys.
Bye. Yum, yum, yum. Goodness.
So one of these
Should
motions
I
stay.
say?
I know it's gonna
Should I
make
stand
you
up?
beg. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I